Nature is a canvas of both grandeur and harshness, where breathtaking moments can leave us in awe, yet also bring unimaginable disasters. In this video, Yellow TV will guide you through extraordinary moments that you may have never seen before. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on any thrilling and exciting updates. Just your typical Russian river, taking its ice out for a little spring cleaning. It's like nature's way of saying, out with the old, in with the thaw. Just watch out for those icy traffic jams. They can really pile up. Who needs a surfboard when you've got glacier waves? Just another day in nature's extreme water park. Watch out, these icebergs are making a splash. Mother Nature really knows how to make an entrance. Looks like the mountain decided it was time for a dramatic makeover. Dust clouds and all. Who needs fireworks when you've got this kind of natural spectacle? When a volcano decides that smoke and lava aren't dramatic enough, it calls in lightning for that extra wow factor. This waterfall isn't just bringing the drama, it's serving up an extreme splash zone. Better hold on tight, because this view will blow you away. Who needs a car wash when you've got a 600-meter waterfall right next to the road? Just park, relax, and let nature take care of the rest. Talk about a bumpy ride. This pilot deserves a gold medal for balancing a plane in a storm like it's a tightrope act. Who needs a roller coaster when your flight comes with free turbulence thrills? Just your typical commute, until Mother Nature decided to throw in a live tornado show. Who needs a weather app when you've got front row seats like this? Mother Nature decides to drop baseballs from the sky. Welcome to Lake Powell's unexpected hailstorm. At least the boats are getting a fresh coat of ice polish. Looks like Cherkessk is offering free moonroof installations today, courtesy of some seriously oversized hailstones.
Вот что творит град.
Mexico City got a surprise shake-up today, literally. When the ground starts dancing, it's time to grab your sense of humor and run for cover. When Spain's summer heat cranks up the thermostat, even the forests decide to light up the dance floor. Talk about a fiery fiesta in the woods. Looks like the Idos Forest decided to bring the heat today. When nature throws a barbecue, it sure doesn't hold back in Turkey. Nathega's got a new hotspot, literally. When the ground turns into a lava river, It's like nature's version of molten chocolate, but definitely too hot to handle. Watch as the Blue Earth River decides it's done with boundaries and gives this dam a not-so-gentle nudge. It's like the river's version of a jailbreak, with water rushing through as if it's late for a date downstream. If you're into spontaneous land remodeling, this video's your jam.
Madre mía, qué angustia. Qué angustia, macho.
Who needs Venice when we have Moscow turning into a surprise water park? Talk about public transportation taking a dive. Those cars and buses might just need a boat license after this. Imagine you're just going about your day in Nebraska when suddenly, out of nowhere, this twister decides to drop in for a visit. Uninvited, of course. Sirens blaring, people rushing outside with their phones at the ready, and boom, a slender tornado touches down right in front of them.
It's falling apart at the bottom here.
Calgary just got a fresh delivery from the sky, except this time, it's not snow. It's hail the size of golf balls. Nature decided to throw an icy tantrum, leaving everyone scrambling for cover. Good thing those cars have insurance. They're gonna need it after this. This glowing blue wave isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie. It's the magic of bioluminescent algae lighting up the ocean. Nature's own light show, turning the sea into a glowing wonderland. Just when you thought the beach couldn't get any cooler. This terrifying tornado looks like something ripped straight from a nightmare. The sky ignites as the monstrous twister devours everything in its path, a brutal reminder that nature holds the ultimate power. A relaxing beach day takes an unexpected turn as a massive wave decides to join the party. The kids are loving it, but remember, Mother Nature can surprise us all.